Hi, Miss Priya.
Hi guys, how are you all?
Hi, Miss Priya.
How are you all?
Good. How are you?
Happy Diwali to you all.
Thank you. You too.
Okay, let me give me 1 minute, okay, exact. How did you enjoy the break, guys?
It was fun.
It
We
was
went
fun.
to Vegas.
That's nice. I miss seeing you guys. Hold on. Let's get going. Did you have any questions on your homework, guys?
No.
No. Okay. Izzy, what are they doing in school next?
So we just got to ratios. We're starting ratios this week.
We
Ratios.
just finished ratios.
That's nice. Ratios and rates, is it?
I don't understand ratios. It's so confusing.
Oh, it's really okay. Really confusing. You think, okay, good to know. But
It's
let's do
easy
that.
in the middle.
What am I?
I think it's in the middle. Kind of hard, kind of easy.
I see. Kind of hard. Why is it hard, guys?
I don't know. I just don't understand it.
Yeah, let me.
Sometimes you don't have the patience to read the word questions. And
Exactly.
Hi,
I have
Miss
no
Priya.
patience.
Hi, how are you?
I'm good. I have a test tomorrow on decimals, percentage, and fractions. My dad printed out this worksheet.
You will
Have
just
that
be fine.
tomorrow.
You will just be fine.
Yeah.
wait, you have school tomorrow?
I can't skip school because I have a test tomorrow.
No,
No,
no.
but
Do you have school tomorrow? That's what we are all asking you.
Oh, you don't have to go to school. It's like if you skip school, you'll be excused because it's Diwali.
no, like
Yay! I have to go to school. We don't get excuse.
no, like is it a leave? Like is it like off for everybody? Like a
Yeah,
holiday?
it's for everyone.
Oh my
No.
god.
No fair. I have to go to school
We
tomorrow.
don't have
I
school.
have to go to school either way because I have a test.
We don't have to. We don't have to. We don't have school tomorrow, so no one's going to go to school.
My parents told me I have to go to school.
No,
Good to know, guys. Okay, let's go ahead. Shall we go ahead?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Parnavi,
Okay.
you look really pretty, by the way.
thank you.
Welcome.
For Diwali, dressing for Diwali.
I had to go somewhere, and then I have to come. Like I went at 5, and then I have to come back. I have to do class, and then go back over there. So
Good to know, lady. You're all attending parties for Diwali.
yeah,
All of our parties
I
are
had a party at my house yesterday. It was really fun.
Oh, that's nice. That's good to know.
all of our parties are next week. So
Oh, wow. Okay. Let's go ahead. Can we go ahead?
yeah.
Okay. Just want to know what did we do earlier? We did percentages, right, ma? I have
No,
noted
we
down.
did
area or something.
the volume and stuff.
Yeah.
Yeah, we did that, and we already learned percentages.
Yeah.
Give me 1 minute exactly. Any questions on the homework, guys?
Yes, one question.
What is it?
Um
Hey, Adrit, did I take you out of the Google Classroom? Can you please check? By mistake, I did it. I think, Adrit, I'm sorry.
Wait, can we?
Yeah, I didn't mean to take you out of the classroom, but I think I did. Can you check?
okay, so Miss Priya, my doubt was in part F on 8B.
Okay.
Or no, eight
Hey,
I mean 8.
Srimanya, how are you feeling, ma? Is it hard?
No, it's easy. It's
Okay.
pretty hard.
So it was on F9.
Oh,
F9.
good.
Yeah.
Okay, prism is okay. Prism means what? Let me show you.
Okay.
I'm not sharing my screen.
I'm gonna get a pencil.
So yeah, go get a pencil. A prism is 5 centimeter, 6 centimeter, 2 centimeter, ma'am. 5 centimeter, 6 centimeter, 2 centimeter. Find its volume. What happens? How do you find the volume? Base area times height, right? What is the base area? Adrit, what is the base area?
Yeah, and also you did kick me out of the Google Classroom.
Sorry. Can you please join back in? I knew that. That's why I said, as soon as you came to the class, I said, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, before you could discover, I wanted to let you know that. I'm sorry about it. Can you please join back?
Like right now?
You can do it later.
Okay, yeah.
Okay. So what is the base area, guys? Srimanya, you tell me, ma. What is the base area?
30.
Base area is 30. Good job. Base area times height 60. So 60 centimeter cube is the volume. Now if the height doubles means what happens? Height becomes 4. If the height doubles, find the new volume. Volume becomes what? 120 centimeters square. Now what is this? Yeah, what is the scale factor means? The original value was 60. The new value is 120. How much did it go up? What is the scale factor means? The number with which you multiply the original to get the new. What is it, Srimanya? That is the scale factor.
2.
2. Good job. That's it. Scale factor was 2. Did you guys get it?
Yeah.
Okay, can I move on now?
Yeah.
I didn't get G2.
G2. Yeah, I'm here to help you guys. G2. Is it recording? Sid is not
Oh,
there.
wait, no, not G2.
Hmm.
I don't wait.
You have to be clear of the
Either
problems
G2
before.
or G3. I
What
think.
is it?
Never mind. I don't have any questions.
What is it?
No, I thought it was G2, but now that I look at it, I know what it is.
Okay, can I go to ratio rates?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, let me go to ratio rates.
Yes.
Okay, I have more more things to discuss with you. Okay, I really want you all to do these on ratio rates. Ratio rates is such a good topic because you would have started learning it in 5th grade, right?
We haven't learned that in 5th grade
Yeah, we only learned it
this year.
Yeah, I didn't learn that.
You didn't.
Oh, Miss Priya.
Okay, now go ahead, ma.
So basically, the only thing I understood in ratios was how to convert a ratio to a fraction and then how to convert a ratio to a decimal. That's like the only thing I understood.
That's nice. So what is the ratio? See, what is the ratio of ratio of triangles to squares? You tell me, Arnav, tell me, what is the ratio of triangles to squares?
3:2.
Yep. So how do you say that? Ratio can be expressed as like 3 to 2, right? This is 3 to 2. So you can write it out as 3 is to 2. It is called as 3 is to 2 or 3 to 2 or 3 by 2. The top, what is on the top? What is on the bottom? The first one comes on the top. The second one comes to the bottom. Any questions here?
No.
Here, since we are discussing a part of whatever is given, this is a part, this is a part, right? So, this ratio is called a part to part ratio. You got it? Suppose if I ask you, what is the ratio of triangles to the total number of items?
3 to 5.
3 to 5. How can I say that? I can write it out as 3 is to 5 or 3 by 5, right? Now here, the left part, this is a part, correct? This one is the total, part to whole.
And there's part to part ratios and part to whole ratios.
Exactly, this is part to part ratio, this is part to whole ratios. Make sense?
Yeah.
Okay. Now, if I want you to express 50 meter as a ratio of 1 kilometer, what is that? 1 kilometer is how many meters?
1 kilometer.
See, you start with millimeter, centimeter, decimeter, meter, hectometer, decameter, hectometer and kilometer, right? Now, 50 meter as a ratio. Ratio means the numerator and the denominator, both sides should contain the same unit. So 50, I cannot put a 1 here. I have to express 1 as meters because both should be in the same unit. So 50 meter. How much, Srimanya? 1 kilometer is how many meters, ma?
100, I think.
100. A good job. 100? No. 1 kilometer. See how many steps up, steps down. 1 kilometer is 10, 100, 1000.
Oh.
1000. So the ratio is 50 by 1000, but you don't first say 50 by 1000, guys. Think of it as a fraction. Will you be able to simplify this?
Mm-hmm.
1 by 20.
1.
1 by 20. Make sense? Does that make sense, guys? Arnav, did you understand?
Yeah, I did.
Okay, good. Now let me ask you this. Mm, okay. In a class, I have 28 girls and 22 boys. Okay. Ratio of the boys to the total students who attended the total students in class. Arnav, tell me, what is the answer to this?
The correct answer is 22 to 50.
But you need to simplify, right? Did you forget that?
Yeah.
Do it and tell me.
Oh yeah, 1 sec. Someone's knocking at my door. 1 sec.
Okay, go ahead, Kanishka. You want to go ahead, Kanishka?
I'm not sure.
Can
I think I know what it is.
Can I answer?
Yeah, go
Um,
ahead.
Need help.
Okay. It's 11:25.
Yeah.
It's 11 to 25.
Good job. How did you simplify that? 22
I
by?
just divided by 2. I just
Nice.
halved it.
You just divided by 2. So good job. So 22 by 50, right? So 11 by 25. Divide by 2, divide by 2.
Yeah.
Okay, now let's go ahead with this. How about this?
Feedback.
Good job, Arnav. Okay, how about this? Let's say I have a yarn. Okay, this is 10 centimeter long. Okay, I'm going to cut it in the ratio. I'm going to cut this in the ratio 2:3. For every 2, the other piece, this is the first piece. Okay, the first piece is 2 centimeter, the second piece will have 3 centimeter. The first piece again has 2 more centimeter, the second piece will have 3 centimeter. So like that, when I go, what is the length of the first piece? What is the total length of the first piece? Who can tell me this?
Wait, can you explain that again?
See, ratio means what? This is a part to part ratio. I said the first piece, I'm going to cut this into 2 pieces. Okay. When I cut it, I want to cut it in the ratio 2:3. I want to cut it in the ratio 2:3. What is the length of the first piece? What is the length of the second piece?
I think it's 50.
Well, the total yarn is itself 10 centimeter.
Oh, 10? That looks
Mm.
like 100. I thought it was 100.
No, it's a 10.
Yeah, I thought that was 100 and then meters.
Mm-hmm.
It's 10.
Okay.
Oh, I'm sorry. Go ahead.
And 5?
How do you know? See, for every 2 centimeter, I'll have to allocate 3 centimeter here. So 5 centimeter is gone. Again,
So,
I do the same
wait.
thing. I allocate 2 more, I allocate 3 more. Are we arriving at a 10? Because the entire thing is 10
Oh,
centimeter, right? So this piece will be 4, this piece will be 6. You got it? But how to derive this, guys? It's very difficult, right? This way is very difficult when numbers become big. See here, how many parts are there? 2 parts on one piece, 3 parts on the other piece. How many total parts, Srimanya? How many
Like
total
on
parts?
each one.
Yeah, this is my 10 centimeter yarn. Okay, I need to cut it into 5 total parts. See, 5 total pieces I need to cut. Okay, this 3 piece will go for the first piece, this 2 piece will go on the second piece. If I cut 10 centimeter into 5 parts, each part is how many centimeters?
2.
2. You got that. Now 3 of the parts go to one piece. 2 of the parts go to the other piece. So how much is the first piece? How much is the shorter piece?
2.
How much?
Oh, 4. 4.
4. Good job, guys. You got it?
Yeah.
So these are just parts. If you're going to divide it into 10 parts, each part, first of all, find out. Then 2 of the parts go to the first piece, 3 of the parts go to the second piece. That's why we call part-to-part ratio. Got it, guys?
Mm-hmm.
Did you get it?
Yeah.
Okay.
Not
Now,
really.
not really. Okay, I have 90 stamps with me. Okay. I'm going to split it between me and Pranavi. I'm going to split it between me and Pranavi in the ratio 2:3. I get 2 parts, she get 3 parts. So 90 stamps are there. Let's draw that. So how many total parts should I get, Adrit? How many total parts should I get?
I'm a bit confused.
Wait, I know. Is it 13?
How do you know? 90 stamps are there, right? I have to split into how many parts?
5, 2,
This
3.
is for me, for Pranavi.
Oh, 2 and 3?
Yeah. So how many total parts are there?
5, 5.
5. So if I split my 90 stamps into 5 parts, how many will be in each part?
13.
13.
That's what I said though.
Wait. Now, I am going to take 2 of the parts.
So
This is for me.
that is
Pranavi is going to get how
26.
much? This is for Pranavi.
You get 26.
Yeah.
And then
Pranavi gets?
39.
Yep. Arnav, did you understand now?
Yeah, I understand it.
Yeah,
Yeah,
now
I understand now.
I get it more now.
Okay, nice. How about this? Okay, 2-meter wire, okay, will be split into 3 pieces in the ratio 4:9:3. Okay, now how much longer is the longest piece? How much longer is the longest piece? Than the shortest piece.
6.
Not really, ladies. Not really, boys and girls.
9, but 9 minus 3 is 6. And
Wait,
that's the
but if we
Those-
but we have to simplify, right? So if we just simplify it, then that's like
Think about it. I want you to draw. I want you to draw. Draw, draw, draw.
I'm gonna go to the bottom.
Draw and show me.
Wait, so you would have to divide 2 by 3 because a 2-meter wire will be split into 3 pieces. So that's like 0.6.
2-meter wire will be split into how many pieces?
3.
Really?
each-
Why 3? Why 3? Yeah,
It's
3.
split into
Yeah, 3 pieces. Okay. 3 pieces. Okay. Each one can be of different length. This is the first piece, this is the second piece, third piece. But how many parts will be there? I have to cut them into how many parts?
3.
No. The pieces are different from parts.
But it says we'll be split into 3 pieces.
Correct. But how many parts of them? Meaning each, if If the first piece
But-
contains 4 parts, second piece contains 9 parts, third piece contains 3 parts.
Then
Okay, let me make this easier. What did we say early on in a question, right? I had 90 candies with me. I'm going to split it between Pranavi and me in the ratio 2:3, I said, right? This is what I said. Then this is my part of it, this is her part, right? So how many total parts I split into? 90 candies were split into how many total parts? Total
well,
part, how many parts are
five-
there? See, 5 total parts.
13.
Yeah, 5 total parts, so that the 2 parts belong to me, the 3 will be taken by her. You got it?
Yeah, and then each piece will be 13. You'll get 26. I'll get 39.
Exactly. So, on a similar note, Arnav, did you understand that?
Yeah, I also understand it.
You got it?
Yeah, I got it.
Okay, now I have 72 cakes with me. Okay, I'm splitting between Kanishka, Arnav,
Yeah.
and who else?
Heavy.
Me.
Manya. Manya. Easy, I'll come to you next. Okay.
Okay.
Manya in the ratio 5:10:9. How many cakes will Arnav get? How many cakes will Manya get? How many cakes will Kanishka get? Try, guys.
10.
No.
Kanishka gets 5. Melania gets 9.
No, it's not like that. For every 5 Kanishka gets, Arnav will get a 10. For every 5 Kanishka gets, Manya will get 9 cakes. But there are 72 cakes.
Oh, I think I know how to do it.
Adrit, how to do it, Adrit? You tell me.
I know. Wait, just like wait. Each of them will get 24.
Each of them cannot get 24, ma.
How?
How?
If each of them get 24, I'm saying, right, for every 5 cakes Kanishka get, Arnav will get 10 and Manya will get 9. How can each of them get 24? They are not getting equal number of cakes. If I give Kanishka 5, I have to give Arnav 10. I have to give Manya 9. So for every 5 I give to
Okay,
Kanishka,
I get what you're saying. Yeah. But 5 won't go into 72 even. So like, how do you find out?
how do you find it out? I told you, right? Count the total number of parts.
Um,
So basically,
24 parts.
24 parts. See? So take these as parts. So I give Manya 5 parts. See, 72. I split it out into how many? 10 plus 9 plus 5. 24 parts. See, this is my 72 cakes. Manya, are you getting Manya? I'm going to split it into 24 parts. If I split it into 24
I get
parts,
30. I get 30.
if I split it into 24 parts, right? How much will be in each part?
Oh, Kanishka gets 15.
I asked you, please answer the question. If I split this 72 cakes into 24 parts,
3.
good job, 3. So 72 divided by the total number of parts is 3, 3, 3, 3, 3. Like this 24 parts I make. Okay, it goes on 24 parts. Of that, what I do is I go to Kanishka. Give 5 of those. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of those to Kanishka. So Kanishka will end up getting how much? 15 cakes.
I said though.
Then I asked you a different question. You did not answer the question. I'm sorry. Second, I go to Arnav.
He gets 30.
He gets 10 of those pieces.
Which is 30.
So Arnav gets
30.
30 cakes.
And
In the last, I go to whom?
Manya.
Manya. Manya gets how
Yes.
many pieces?
27.
9 of the pieces. So 27 cakes.
I already
Manya,
got that.
I
now,
did it. Please.
now
I
add
got the
all
most cakes.
15 plus 30 plus 27. How much is it? 72. Got it, guys?
Yeah.
So
got-
basically, you're splitting up into parts. Okay. So total parts. Okay. So the
Basically,
total number of cakes is 72 by the total part. Each part will get some cakes, right? Now, after that, you make sure, collect 5 of the parts, give it to Kanishka. Get 10 of the parts, give it to Arnav. Get 9 of the parts, give it to Manya. Manya, did you get it, ma?
I got it now. Once you
Yeah.
did the graph and everything, it's like more easier.
That's why I want you to draw every single time. You got it?
I don't know how I can possibly eat
What is it, ma?
27 cakes.
Perimeter.
Possibly eat 27 cakes.
Perimeter of a rectangle. Perimeter of a rectangle is equal to 78 centimeter. Okay. Length and breadth. Length and width. Okay. Are in the ratio. This is a hard one. Let me see who thinks correctly. 9:4. Okay. What is the length and width? What is the length? What is the width? Think about it. I want Manya to draw on the board and explain something. Manya, go ahead and draw on the board and explain.
Yes.
You need 78, and then you need to do 9 plus 4 because that's the ratio.
Think about it. I will give you time and you can let me know.
I think I got it. So, I think the length is,
Yeah, I don't understand this.
I'll wait, guys.
I think the length is, 36, and the width is,
Wait, I have a question. For the ratios, like when it's where it says 2, like for like the clock sign thingy, those 2 dots, is it like addition or is it multiplication?
Which one, ma? Perimeter, huh?
No. This sign, is it multiplication?
Ratio, ma. 9 parts to 4 parts.
Yeah, the ratio.
For the length, if
Is
you
that
give
like
9
addition?
parts, width will get 4 parts. It's not addition or anything. It's like a fraction.
Oh,
I think the length is like 36, and then the width is 24.
36.
And then 24?
Think about it. How many parts will go in the perimeter of the rectangle? How many total parts are in the perimeter of the rectangle? How many total parts are in the perimeter of the rectangle?
6.
Huh? 6. Where did you get the 6?
13 times 6 is 78. So,
No. First of all, see, Pranavi, you're blindly substituting. No. See, length has how many parts? Width has how many parts? Adrit, you tell me. Length has how many parts, Adrit? Length has how many parts, Adrit? Length and width are in the ratio 9:4. Length has how many parts?
But like I'm confused. What is the time? I'm not
See, length and width are in the ratio 9:4 means there are 9 parts, meaning we don't know what is that part, but there are 9 parts in the length. If you give 9 parts to the length, width will have how many parts?
4 parts.
4 parts. Again, the length has 9 parts. Don't worry about it. We don't know what a part is. This is 4 parts. So how many total parts are in the perimeter of the rectangle?
36.
20?
Oh,
26 parts. 26 parts make up 78 centimeter. What is each part?
Wait, how would it be 26 parts?
Because there are 2 lengths and 2 widths, right?
Uh-huh. Yeah.
So 26 parts make up 78 centimeters. So what is each part? What does that part means? One
No,
part.
no, no. What I'm asking is like, what did you do to get 26? Is what I'm asking.
9 plus 4 plus 9 plus 4.
Oh, I didn't see
So
the.
now one part is 3 centimeter. One part is 3 centimeter means what is the length? Tell me. Length is constituting 9 parts. So what is the length in centimeter? Manya, tell me.
27.
27. Good job, guys. What is the width? How much is the width?
12.
12 centimeter. Good job, guys.
I
Can I write it down real quick?
Yeah, you don't need to write
Hey,
down, but you need to
how would
understand.
it be like that if the length wouldn't the length be 8 because I don't
What is
like
it?
Yeah, I don't get
I
this.
don't get it. Cause like if the length is 4 and 4, wouldn't it be 8? And then the width I mean,
Okay, let me
sorry,
discuss.
the length would be 18 and the width would be 8.
Okay, let's do it together. Can we do it together, ma?
Yeah,
Sorry, I just don't get it.
Yeah, let's do it together.
I don't get it either. Like,
me neither.
confusing.
Ratios are
Okay, can we do it together?
yeah, it's probably the best idea.
Cause like in school, like the ratios are like you
Different.
learn it. Yeah, it's like not like that.
That's because I don't want you to find it that easy. Okay, school does meaning it doesn't go in depth at all. You need to understand practically what's happening.
Okay, but like, can we like practice the way that they do it in school too? Like, can you give that for the homework though?
Once you understand this, that becomes so easy.
Okay,
Let me go ahead. Let me go ahead.
but like, we're just asking because like it's kind of different and like.
Absolutely,
Yeah.
I will. But the thing is, this is what you need to understand, right? School doesn't tell you about the perimeter of a rectangle, all this stuff. I gave you harder problems in SA. Let me see. Okay, I'll tell you what type of problems are at school. Shall we try this?
Yeah.
Okay. Now, this becomes very easy on you. You know what? I don't want you to do it this way, but let me show you. This is the type of problems you do in school. Did you do this in school?
Yep.
Yeah.
I know. See? Go ahead and send the answer to me. There are 12 boys and 8 girls in a class. What is the ratio of boys to girls? Boys to girls.
I said my answer. Is it correct?
Wait, what about the everybody chat?
Yeah, everybody chat, yeah.
That one's just disabled.
Yeah.
Well, I said my answer.
Still disabled.
Good job, guys. So this is so easy, right?
Mhm.
Okay, how about this? Arnav, can I get your answer? Easy, correct.
Thank
Pranavi,
you.
correct.
Sent it also.
Arnav, you will have to simplify. You cannot write it like this. 6 is to 4 fraction is simplified, huh?
Oh yeah.
You can simplify it one
See,
more.
Manya. The order is very important, ma. Order is very, very important. Boys to girls means 12 is
Oh,
8.
I thought it said 8 boys. Never mind.
Yeah, so order is very important in ratios. What you put in the numerator and the denominator is very important. How about this? Yeah.
Was my answer correct?
3 is to 2 is the answer, ma.
Yeah. Fuck.
Okay, how about this? You're going to try this out by yourself. See, guys, I really meaning I really came down the level. Try this one. A train travels.
The same.
I know this.
I think I got this. Yeah.
I'm so confused.
What was so confusing? Tell me.
No, I got it.
Yeah, a
Is it
train.
is this the correct answer? Because like
Let's see, Ma. A train travels 120 miles. Okay, let me write it down. 120 miles in 2 hours. Please write it down. Both the quantities. Right is hours, left is miles. Now, I want to calculate for 5. There is no way I can calculate for 5. Because from 2, I can't go to a 5. It's all multiplication, right? So, you can't go to a 5. But the thing is, I can come to a 1 in between. Counting the 1 in between is so easy. In 2 hours, if it travels 120 miles, in 1 hour, it will travel 60 miles. Now it's easy to come to a 5. What did I do? Multiply by 5.
I know the answer.
can I tell you? I did. Yeah, I got that too. Can I tell you another way that I did it?
I will let you know, but let me finish explaining.
Okay.
So a train travels 120 miles in 2 hours. See, what you're doing here, you are first bringing it down to 1 and then finding what you want. The other way you can do is, see, here you start 1 hour, 0 hour, 1 hour, 2 hour. Draw a line, meaning this is a very famous way of solving ratios. So they say in 2 hours, these are hours, right? I'm only drawing the hours. In 2 hours, I will put 120 miles in here. Okay. Now what I need to find is for 5 hours. 3, 4, 5 hours. I can't go to a 5, right? So I can do one thing. In 2 hours, it's 120 miles. Let me draw it nicely for both. That way. See, this is 1 hour, 2 hour. Let me draw. This is hours. For both the quantities, whatever they give me, I'll try to draw like this. Miles. Okay. So here, when you look at it, right, what will I draw? So 1 hour, 2 hour, 3 hour. Now 2 hours, I cross 120 miles. Okay. Now what do? I can only go to 2 times 2, 4, 2 times 3, 6. Like that I can go. It's very easy. But how to come to a 5? I need to find out what number is in here. 5 hours. I don't know. So I better go back. I don't know. I cannot go to a 5. 2 times nothing is a 5. So I go back. When I go back, I divide it by 2. So this one becomes 60. Here as well I divided by 2. 60. Now from 1 to come to a 5, it's very easy. 1 is our friend always in ratios. Times 5 times 5. Manya, did you get it, Manya?
Yeah, I also got 300 miles.
Good. Now, Pranavi, you wanted to explain. Go ahead, Ma.
So wait. What I thought was 120 plus 120, which 2 divided by 5 is 2.5.
Mm-hmm. 2
So
divided by 5 is not 2.5.
I mean 5 divided by 2. So it's like I just added 120 to 120, which is 240.
Good job. That's nice.
And then the 0.5, which was like I just divided 120 by 2, which is 60. And then
Very nice.
I
Very
added
good.
60 to 200.
I really like your way. Very good job. How about this? Are you doing things like this in school?
Yeah.
That's basically what we're doing in school.
I know. Okay. The ratio of red marbles to blue marbles is 3:4. If I put 3 red marbles, I have to put 4 blue marbles. That is the way it is. Now, there are 28 blue marbles. How many red marbles are there?
I sent my answer.
Yeah, send it. Good job, Pranavi. Sending it is good.
Cause like they're kind of like switched up, so like it's gonna be kind of confusing.
Yeah, Pranavi. Guys, are you all doing? You need help? Let me know.
Is mine correct?
Yes.
Yay!
Go ahead.
After everyone is done, can I explain it, or do you want to?
Sure, Ma. Sure, you can.
Thank you.
Go ahead. Did you guys get it? I got Pranavi's answer. I'm waiting for the other answers. Adrit, good job. Easy, good job. Manya. Is it right, Manya? No, Manya. Did you check again, Manya? Manya, that doesn't seem right, Manya. Can you check, Manya?
I fixed it.
Now, the question is completely not ratios. The question is how many red marbles are there? You did not understand the question.
Fix my answer.
Arnav, that's not 12. How is it 12?
Wait, Miss Priya,
Tanishka, did you get it? Yes, ma.
do you live in the U.S. or do you live in India?
I live in the US. Why, ma?
Oh, I thought you lived in India.
I live in the US.
What state?
New Hampshire?
I live in Texas.
I know.
Me too.
I live in Dallas.
I
Me
know.
too.
I live in Dallas.
I want to come to Dallas. Let's see.
Yeah, it's like it's pretty like it's good.
I was there in Dallas for 10 years, 9 years.
Yeah, my sister had you.
I live in McKinney.
Whose sister? Oh, yeah.
Easy.
Pranavi, yeah. The ratio of red marbles to
Wait,
blue
what?
marbles.
Kennedy?
Marbles is 21.
Red marbles to blue marbles is for every 3, there are 4 blue marbles. So the
One
thing is, there are 28 blue marbles are there. 28 means, how did
times
4 become
7
28?
times 7.
Times 7. So here as
So
well, you have to times it by 7.
21.
Did you guys
More
get
easy.
it?
Yeah.
Yeah, I fixed
It's
my
like kind of
answer.
like what we do in school, but like not really.
How about this?
Because I would have I when I first read the question, I thought it was like I was like, how can 3 go to 28? Because it was switched.
I know.
So
Yeah. How about this? Do this one. School sometimes is too easy, ma. We don't want to do just the school work. Then how will you attempt the PSAT and SAT exams? School sometimes becomes so easy. Okay, so you need to scale up a little bit and do more things.
I'm
Go ahead,
failing math.
send the answer. Huh?
I'm
Oh.
failing math right now. School is the farthest thing from easy for me.
like what's your grade?
Super
I don't know. I
easy.
just know that I'm failing.
Oh, it's like a 6, 7. Sorry.
Could be. Could be.
I have like an 80.
Oh, that's good.
I had a 78, but like
It's close enough. Round it.
if we fail our classes, we can't enter athletics.
Are you
Oh.
done? Rather than talking, I want answers.
Oh, yeah.
Not
So
bad.
please draw. If you're doubtful, right? What I would suggest is draw the double lines. Cups of water, cups of juice. Juice, water. Uses 5 cups of water. 5 cups of water for every 2 cups of juice. When I get to 4, it becomes a 10. When I get to 6, it becomes 15. 8 cups of juice becomes how much water?
20.
20 cups of water. So this is what it is. They're asking how much juice is needed for 15 cups of water. It's so easy. See? How much juice
Oh.
is needed?
6.
6 is the answer, right? Arnav, I'm not getting
But
answers from you. I need
how
answers.
do you know if it's 4 and 10? It could have been like times 3, like something.
Yeah, that's a tricky question. How much is needed for
How do you know if it's like 4 or 10?
7 cups of water?
Oh, wait.
7 cups of water. You know what? That's when I'm asking you, you have to be clever here. So if you want it for 7 cups of water, I cannot calculate from 2. Go back to a 1. Okay, so you divide by 2. You divide by 2, what happens? 1 cup of juice, you divide by 2. 2.5 cups. Divide by 2 is 5 by 2 is 2.5. 2.5 cups of water. So for every 1 cup of juice, you are adding 2.5 cups of water. Now for 7 cups, you multiply this by 7. Same thing you do here. Multiply this by 7. What is it?
35.
Huh?
Oh, wait, no, but that never mind.
So it is times 7. 17.5 cups. Got it, guys?
Oh, okay.
Kind of.
You know?
Yeah.
What is that you didn't get? What is that you didn't get? Come on, tell me. I'll help you.
Well, I mean, I got it, but
It's
I
just
don't
like you can't like, remember it. You know?
Okay,
no,
now
I understand it. I just don't know how to explain what I don't understand. Because I
okay.
understand it, but I feel like I don't understand.
Okay, do the next one. Let's see.
I think your hand is raised, Miss Priya.
I'll take it off.
Oh, okay.
Wait, what?
A
This is
cyclist travels
this.
45 miles in 3 hours. Please draw the double line if you're not sure. Double line is the best method.
I did.
Miles, hours. 45 miles in 3 hours. You can always go back. Remember, going back is easy. It's only division. Going in front is multiplication. How long will it take to travel 120 miles? I don't even know what is this. Arnav, are you doing or not?
Yeah, I'm doing it, but like I can't understand it.
Yeah, but I
You-
can't go from 45 to 120. So what do I do? Can
yeah,
I calculate? Can I calculate 1? Can I
yeah,
calculate 1 mile?
yeah.
Hmm.
You can.
I'll calculate 1 mile. What should I do? I divide by 45, right?
Yeah.
Wait, but
So
the
1
thing,
mile will be covered in how many? This also, same. 3 I have to divide by 45. So 3 divided by 45 is what? 1 by 15 hours, right?
Yeah.
This is 1 by 15 hours, right?
Mm.
Now 120 means what should I do? I multiply by? I multiply by?
wait, but the thing is, the 45 times 3, so times 3 is like 145 itself, so how would it get to 120?
That's what I'm saying. I'm not multiplying. I'm going back. I divide by 45, go back to 1 mile.
Oh,
Same, you
okay.
divide by 45, go back to whatever hour it is. It is 1 by 15 of an hour.
Mm-hmm.
Now, going to 120 is easy from 1. What did you do? Multiply by?
120.
120. Same thing you need to do. Whatever you got here. What did you get here? 1 by 15 you need to multiply by?
20. And 120.
20. So when you multiply that, what happens? What do you get? 120 by 15. How do you simplify this?
3.
8 hours. You got it, guys?
I got it.
Yeah. No.
Wait, hold on.
No, I didn't understand a single word of that.
How?
Can I go to the bathroom?
Yeah, go ahead.
I didn't
Easy.
understand any of that.
Easy, then you have to ask Kizzy.
Well, I'm asking now because I was like, because I thought that I would understand it as we got more into the equation, and I didn't understand this one.
Okay. See, 45 miles, they're saying in 3 hours. I can't go from 45 to 120. There is no multiplying factor.
Yeah.
What I do, I go back. I divide by 45, go to 1 mile. Whatever I do on the first line, I have to do on the second line. 3 as well, I divided by 45 and said the number of hours is 3 divided by 45 hours. You got it?
Yeah.
What is 3 divided by 45? It's 1 by 15 hours. You got it?
Yeah.
Now, I actually need to calculate for 120 miles. So I multiply by 120, multiply by 120. Make sense?
Oh, yeah. Okay, now I get it. I get it. I get it.
Arnav, did you get it? Adrit, did you get it?
Yeah, I got the.
Got it.
I'm back.
Okay, how about this? This is one easy question. Again, you do this at school for sure. A
Miss
mixture
Priya,
contains, yes,
can I go to the bathroom?
yeah, sure. A mixture contains red paint and blue paint in the ratio 2 is to 3. There are 12 liters of red paint. What do you think about blue paint?
I said my answer.
Is that my answer?
Yeah. Good job, Srimanya. Kanishka, send the answer, ma. Arnav, did you already send the answer? I'm asking how many liters. Adrit, good job, you're understanding.
I didn't send it yet. 1 sec. I was just helping.
Pranavi, correct.
I didn't send my answer yet.
Sri Manya, correct, ma. Manya, I think you got it, right, Manya?
Yeah.
Nice.
If you're like in 5th grade, can you like come to the grade 6 class?
Yes, you can. Why?
Oh, I thought only grade 6 people can be here.
It doesn't matter what grade you are in, but what matters is whether you understand the content being delivered. You know what? In my Algebra 1 class, I have kids in 7th grade, 8th grade, 9th grade.
Wait, what about my sister? She's not.
I have Algebra 1 class also has kids from 6th grade.
Seriously?
Oh,
Yes.
I think that's just sad for them.
yeah, very.
Just sad. They like it and they'll always be getting 100, right? When they go to Algebra 1.
It's
Yeah,
so
but like, why are they doing Algebra 1 now?
Because they know the rest of the math.
Easy. Algebra is not that hard.
Chat, what are you on?
Yeah.
It
It's
just
easy. It's not.
depends now, whatever. See, wherever you are, you want to study more. That's all. There's no
Yeah,
right
but
and
algebra is so different.
a mixture contains red and blue paint in the ratio 2 is to 3. Ratio 2 is to 3 means what? For every 2, meaning this is red paint, this is blue paint. Again, for every 2, right? Red is first, blue is 3. So if I have 4, then it is 6. Then if red paint has how many liters? 6 liters means then this is 9 liters. Like that it goes. There are 12 liters of red paint. 12 liters of red paint means from here what can I do? Multiply by 6 to get that 12 liters. I need to find out how many blue paint is needed. So what should I do here? Same thing I have to do. I have to multiply by? Arnav, tell me.
Can you share your screen?
Multiply by what?
Multiply
Multiply by what?
6.
6. So answer is 18 liters. Got it, guys?
I can't see the shared screen anymore.
Okay, I can share it again. But did you guys get it?
Yeah.
Wait, let's see. I'll ask.
Okay, now I can see it.
No problem. I did it again, Ma, since you told me. How about this? Guys, these are easy questions, guys. I really want you to do more. How about that?
see myself. It's like not there. Okay.
You
I just
can.
accidentally switched to the meeting one, so that's why I couldn't see your screen.
That's okay, ma.
Wait, how are we supposed to set this question up?
Is this the correct answer?
Go ahead. I'll check and tell you. A store sells 6 muffins for $9. Please, did you draw? Did you draw the 2 lines? I really want you guys to draw. Muffins and dollars. Please, I want you to draw and show me.
Wait, how do we set it up?
How do we set it up?
Yeah, I don't know. I don't know what numbers to put where.
The lines, guys.
Well, yeah, but like,
Ah.
what numbers do we put?
What numbers do you put? You tell me. Tell me. Tell me what are the quantities? What are the
6 and
quantities?
9?
Is my answer
Muffin. Ma, please, when I start explaining, wait, ma. Muffins and dollars.
Oh,
What should I do? What should I do in the first line? Tell me.
6.
6
9.
muffins. How many dollars?
9?
$9.
Andalusia.
Now let me improve this, okay? 6 for every 6. Again it goes to a 12, right? What happens here? It goes to 18. So 2 numbers I have. But what are they asking? How many muffins can you buy for? $27. It goes to 27. How did 9 come to a 27? What did I do?
Times 3.
Times 3. So what should I do with the 6?
Times 3.
Ah, what is it?
18.
That's it. You all got it?
That's what I got.
Can I move on, guys? Now ratios are much better.
You-
Ratio. See, basically, this is not just ratio. Did you guys understand?
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, good. Okay.
I have
Let's
to do this one part.
What, Amma?
Hmm? Oh, no, my sister wasn't here. I was just telling me something.
Okay, let's see.
Wait, how old is your sister?
She's 15.
Oh, mine's 14.
Oh, lucky.
Just 1 year apart.
Okay, let's go ahead. Okay, let's go ahead with this one.
It's
Okay, I really want to give you. Let's see.
really great.
How about this? How about a blue paint muffins we did, and then how about this is hard on you guys. You can't do this. Let's see. How
What?
about
No, we can try. We can try. We're really smart guys, right?
Mhm.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm not sure about you.
see the thing is here you need to draw. Okay, let's see.
Boy.
Do you think you can do this? This is a harder version.
We can.
Those 4.
Yeah, we can. Totally.
Let's see.
I cannot do that.
What?
So we can
That seems impossible.
Let's see.
Hard. Dun, dun.
How do you know which one's math books, history books, or science books?
See, the order is important, I'm saying. Math is the first, science is the second, history is the third.
I think I got this.
So let's see. Math.
Oh, I think it's
Do it like this. Math, science, history. Draw 3 lines. What are the numbers? Who can tell me the numbers?
4,
4,
4, 5, 6.
5.
That's the correct answer.
1 minute, ma. If I have 8 math books, how many science book will I have, Manya?
To get to 90?
10, 10, 10.
10,
10. History books will be?
12.
12.
You know that now. But there are 90 books in total. That means the sum of this is 90. No. Then I can go up a little bit. 8, 10. Then here what?
12.
1 minute, guys.
Is it 13?
Certain.
13. How many math science books are there? I think it's 13.
I don't know. I have to check. So let's see. Now, math. Okay, 8, 10, 12 is not amounting to the 90 books. So what do? I go up a little bit nicely. Can I try like 4 times What to try? 9, 36, 5 times what?
5 times 9, which is 45.
5 times 9 is 45, and then what?
54.
No,
Yeah,
you know what? That crosses 90. Maybe I should go to 4 times 6, 24. 5 times 6,
yeah,
30. 6 times 6 is
26, I think.
how
Mom.
is this? 30, 36, 24. Is it coming properly? 90. Wow! We are right. You got it, guys?
Yeah, that's what I got.
okay,
24.
okay.
Okay.
I got it now, what you're
Okay,
saying.
I'll stop here, but I'll give you only easy problems in ratio and rates. Make sense?
Okay.
Yeah.
I will give you easy problems in ratios and rates.
There's so many people.
Any questions for me?
No,
Any questions for me?
no.
No, I
But you
know.
know what, guys? I really want you to do more problems, not these easy questions, guys. Okay, but for this week, I have no other go. I'm going to give you only easy questions. Okay? Anything else for me?
Hard questions.
Hard questions, I'm not going to go this week, Amma. Okay. See
Miss
you all
Priya,
next week.
you want to
Yeah,
see my notes for this class?
yeah, would be nice.
Okay. Let me turn the light on real quick.
Ah, that's
Look
good.
at my notes.
Whose notes?
Okay.
Mine.
Can I see?
This
I am
is
only
my
seeing Kanishka's. Oh wow, nice,
first,
Izzy. Nice, Kanishka.
And the back too. And I have one more.
and then, hold on 1 second. And then this is my second page.
Uh-huh. Oh, that's nice.
Okay.
Why do you
But
have me?
revise, guys.
And then
Revise
this
and do
is
the but revise
and
and
my
do the
third.
problems, okay?
This
Okay,
is
now
my
I'll
third.
let you go. Yeah. Ay, that's nice, Izzy. I'll
Thank
let you
you.
go. See you all next week, guys.
Okay, bye.
Bye bye.
Bye.
See you next.
Bye, guys.
Okay, bye, guys.
Bye. Okay. Guys, you're going to give me 1 minute exactly. I'll be back. Okay, guys, I'm back. Sorry, guys. Okay, I just took a break. Okay, now tell me, Abhiram, what are you doing in school, Abhiram?
Oh, we just finished our Unit 3 test, and now we're about to learn uh Unit 4.
Yeah, but how will I know what is your Unit 4 and Unit 3? Did you share the thing with me?
Oh,
Did
I
you?
shared you term 1. I'll share you term 2 in a sec if you want.
Yeah, that's important, right? It's important. See, I'm okay to help you out with whatever you are confronting. Sanjana, how are you, ma?
I'm good. How are you?
Do you have the calendar? I'm good, thank you. Do you have the calendar with you?
For the classes?
Yeah, ma. No, for your school. Send it to me, guys. I can combine some of the topics. I really want to get going with the next topic, but at the same time, I'll go through the book order, but if there's something that is important for you, I'm absolutely fine to give it to you. Meaning, I'm absolutely fine to go over those topics that you guys need rather than what topics I want. See what I mean? Let's see. Are you sending it, guys, in WhatsApp? Hi, Chetan. What are you doing in school? Arush,
Wait,
what are you
what's that?
doing? Yeah, where are you sending it then? How are you sending it?
Oh, I thought I was gonna send it through Gmail.
Yeah, anything is okay, but send it quickly.
Okay.
See, why waste class time, right? If you can give it to me in advance, it's easier, right? Sanjana, do you have the same thing with you?
I don't have mine.
That's okay. School's okay. Harika, you want to send it to me, Harika?
It's Harshika.
You every time I call Harika. I'm so sorry. Harshika, go ahead and send it. I'm
Okay,
sorry.
yeah.
Arush, what is the topic that you're dealing with? Ma, quickly, if you can give me. Otherwise, I'll go ahead with the book topic, whatever is next. I don't want to do that with you guys.
We're on
I
quadratic.
don't
I am open to teach any topic. The moment you tell me, I can teach. But then I want to understand what is your topic, right?
I don't really know where to find mine. Like,
Oh, your teacher will give you, right, Amma?
yeah, he didn't really give us one.
How come, Ma? You can go ask. There is no problem, right? You're all Algebra 2 kids. You're all almost in college, right?
Miss Priya.
Almost in high school, right? Yeah. Go ahead.
Uh, could you please send me your your Gmail down in the chat?
Yeah. Otherwise, send it in chat. In this chat itself, you can send, right?
Okay. Can I send screenshots in this chat?
Anything is okay. I just want to see it now. I'll give you my email. You can send it to me later. For now, you send it to me in this chat.
Alright.
Miss Priya, in
Yeah.
class right now we're learning like graphing like polynomials like with degrees. So like x to the power 5.
Makes sense. Makes sense. Fourth 9 weeks. Okay. So you're starting with unit 4, cubic functions. Okay. Okay. Cubic functions. Okay. So you're starting cubic function. Is it Pranav?
Yeah.
I'm sorry. Arush, are you starting cubic functions?
We're still on quadratics, but I think cubic is next.
Okay. Arush is studying cubic. Okay. Ananjay? Ananjay, what is it, Ananjay? 30.
What?
What is that 30?
Wait, it's the answer to the question.
Oh, wow. So sweet, Ananjay. No, we are not in Algebra 2 class. We have not started it. I'm just discussing what you guys are all doing in school.
Oh, my bad.
No problem at all, Ananjay. You just came in, right? So I was so impressed with your curiosity to answer. So nice of you.
No, I just thought we were doing that because I was late. Sorry.
Oh, no problem, ma. Okay, so October, just 1 second. I really want to understand what are you doing? Graph quadratic standard. This is 19th October. Solve system. Oh, systems and three equations, three variables we never solved in this class. We solved, right?
We did systems of
Yeah, we did. Okay, parabolic conics. Oh my God. Okay, parabolic conic standard to vertex, vertex to standard. What is a TT? What is TT? Do you know? Abhiram.
Yeah?
Do you know what is TT?
No, man, we haven't learned that yet.
I really want to know what is this TT? Standard to vertex. I don't know what is TT. I think it's your teacher's usage. I don't know. Absolute value function, polynomial function. Okay, you're all going to cubic. Unit 3. Unit 3 is what? Polynomial functions. Okay. Let's see how much I can combine. I'll combine. Okay. So we left on From my notes, what I have that we have left off on 259, 259, 259. What is it? Oh, okay. Yeah, but we did not cover conics. Parabolas we didn't cover. Parabolas I want to cover next because parabolas is something I left off. Okay. Complex solutions you did, guys. Okay, let's go to parabolas. But okay, 3 variable, 3 systems we already did, right? Okay, with matrices also we did. Polynomials will come next, but I want to finish up parabolas and go there. Okay, polynomials, cubic functions will come next. Let's do parabolas today. Yeah, this is a tricky one though. We'll see. We'll see. I will go through this. Okay, this is a good one to do because it's a difficult one as well. Okay, very honestly, it's a difficult one as well. Okay, I'm not throwing it out to you just because, oh, I don't want to influence you that it is difficult, but at the same time, yeah, understand it well and then do. We'll go to parabolas. We have covered quadratics, right? We have covered quadratic complex solutions as well. Okay, now, how about this? Okay, we have always covered these parabolas, right? What is the equation of this parabola? What is the equation of this parabola?
Y equals x squared.
Y equal to x squared. This is so easy. Okay, now, okay, I'm going to change it a little bit in the sense, okay, it can go up or it can go down. What is the equation of this parabola?
Y
Y
equals
equals negative x squared.
Very nice. Okay, suppose if I change this to, let's say, okay, I have two types of parabolas. Let's say one is a vertical parabola, one is a horizontal parabola. This is quite heavy in the sense it's quite a little difficult, but please listen, then you'll really understand well. Let's say I will write the standard form of the equation. What is the standard form of a vertical parabola? Instead of writing it like this, I'm going to write it like y will be equal to square. X square will be equal to 4py. I'll tell you, I'll describe all this, okay? So horizontal, I'm going to write it down as y okay, these are vertical parabolas. What is a horizontal parabola? These are horizontal parabolas. Make sense? Before we get into this equations of parabolas, right? Maybe I should have waited a little bit before I get here, right? Let's see. In this case, if you think about a parabola, right? Let's say this is a parabola. How do you define a parabola? What are these points that make up a parabola? Do you know that these points that make up a parabola, let's say there is a point in front of the parabola, there is a line at the back of the parabola. The main definition, what is a parabola? What the locus of all points means the points that are making up the parabola, right? Take any point that make up the parabola. Let's take this point. This distance to a particular point, okay, is the same as the perpendicular distance that I draw to the back. The perpendicular distance to that line at the back. You see, this distance is the same as this distance. For every point in the parabola, it's not drawn to scale here. Similarly, let's say this distance is the same as this distance. Make sense, guys? So such a point in front of the parabola is called the focus. The line that you draw at the back of the parabola, which is perpendicular to the axis of symmetry, is called the directrix. Any questions here? We have always discussed parabolas. I'm going to erase this and I'm going to come back. I really want you to understand this better. Okay, so here, when you think about the equations of a parabola, Let's say this is my parabola. Hi. I'll draw a line at the back. This line is perpendicular to the axis of symmetry. This is called directrix. And there's always, for any parabola, there's a point in front, okay, along the axis of symmetry line, that point is there. That's called the focus. Okay, the definition, how did we derive the definition of parabola? I will take a point. I will make sure the distance this and this are, I'm sorry, the perpendicular distance to the directrix are the same.
Miss Priya, is the focus a point or a line?
Focus is the point, Amma.
Okay.
Focus is a point. If that's confusing, I erase it. Similarly, this distance is equal to this distance. See, again, that's a point on the parabola. These are the points that make up the parabola. Then I'll choose one another point. The distance, this distance is the same as this distance. Make sense, guys? Does it make sense? So now I'll collect all of those points which are equidistant to the focus and the directrix. Okay, that when I draw a line connecting all such points, the locus of all such points form a parabola. Do you understand what a focus and directrix is now here?
How would you like find the directors? Is it just like
What is it,
there?
Sricharan?
How would you know where the directors is? Is it like already there? You have to like find it.
There is a line, meaning there is a line, that a line drawn, this line is perpendicular to the axis of symmetry. Okay, for every parabola, there exists a directrix and a focus.
So will they like mention it to us, or do we have to like find it?
You can find it. I'll tell you ways to find it.
Okay.
Okay. So this one, see, this one is entirely new to you guys. So it's a little tricky, but then it is important. Anyway, you can get any 1 or 2 questions even in SATs. So yeah, it is quite important. So there is always a focus, there is always a directrix. Okay. Now, any questions still here? Any questions still here? Now, I'll draw this parabola a little differently. Okay, now let me call this as my directrix. Okay, this is my focus. Okay, now I will mark this distance as P. I'll mark this distance as P. Any questions? See, because this point on the parabola is the same distance to the focus and to the directrix, right? So I call it as distance P. Any questions there? Can I move on? Now, this one, usually you call it as y equal to x square, right? But hereafter, I'm going to call it as x square equal to 4py. P is the distance of any point on the parabola to the focus or the directrix. That's the same distance. So I'm going to write it in standard form as x square will be equal to 4py. Sounds good?
That's for to find the.
Yeah, here the vertex, I'm going to mark it as 0, 0 as a vertex for this parabola. We are discussing vertical and horizontal parabolas. We are discussing vertical horizontal parabolas with vertex equal to 0, 0. Because if it changes to a different game.
Auntie, can you like explain the P again? Like the function of P.
Yeah. For any point on the parabola, it is the distance to the focus. It can also be called as the distance to the perpendicular distance to the directrix. Is the P. P is the distance.
Okay, thank you.
Now, guys, I'm not going to, I don't know whether I have to derive the formula. In some years, I have derived the formula. But many a time in schools and all, they just give you the formulas. Okay. But I'll tell you how to, meaning there are certain things I want you to learn. So the vertex is, I'm going to draw a horizontal parabola. Okay. So this is 0, 0. Vertex is 0, 0, right? Now the focus is in here. Right? Just understand how these get how these, if this is P distance, what is this? What is the coordinate point of the focus? Who can tell me the coordinate point of the focus? What is the coordinate point of the focus?
P comma 0.
P comma 0. Good job. Now, what is this point on the this is the directrix. What is that point on the directrix?
Negative P comma 0.
Negative P comma 0. Good job, guys. Now, what else I need to find out? Let's say this is x comma y point on the parabola. Any point x comma y on the parabola. Okay. Now, what is this point on the directrix?
It will be x minus p comma y.
I mean, negative x minus p comma y, right?
Negative. But you know that x point, right? You can substitute. What will be the value for the x point? Y can stay as y. But what will be the x point? Guys, it's the same x point as this, right?
Oh, negative P.
What is that x point?
Negative P.
Negative P comma y. Why? Because it's the same as this x point, right? Sanjana, did you get confused? Or are you following? Did you get confused, ma?
I'm following.
Oh, you're following. Okay. So good. Okay. Nice. What else? So basically, you can write an equation. What equation you can write? This distance is the same as this distance, right, guys? Because this is the perpendicular distance to the directrix. This is the distance to the focus for this point x comma y. Am I making sense? Am I making sense? So what is the distance? When I consider these 2 points, right? How do I find the distance? What is this distance? Who can tell me the distance? Y minus y the whole square plus x minus minus p the whole square. Right, guys? What is this distance?
How did you wait? Never mind.
Distance formula, ma. X comma y minus p comma y. Y minus y the whole square, x minus minus p the whole square. Does it make sense?
Yes, I just got confused.
No problem. You can ask. See, in your school, you're not going to derive all these, okay? But it is so good to know all these. How did it come into picture? Similarly, what distance is this? Y minus 0 the whole square plus x minus p the whole square. Make sense? Did that make sense, guys?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. Now, I can try solving this for you. I can equate the distances. Correct, guys? Can I equate the distances? What will I get? This is 0, 0 minus x plus p the whole square. Correct? I can, this will be equal to what? This one y square plus x minus p the whole square. Correct, guys?
Mm-hmm.
Now, square both the sides. You'll get x plus p the whole square will be equal to y square plus x minus p the whole square. Correct, guys?
Yes.
If it is going on top of your head, you can stop me. Okay. I'm going to do this, okay? X square, binomial expansion plus p square plus 2px will be equal to y square plus x square plus p square minus 2px. Are you all with me?
Yes.
Subtract x square on both sides. Subtract p square on both sides. You get 2px equal to y square minus 2px. Add 2px on both sides. Y square will be equal to 4px. Do you get it, guys? This is the equation of this parabola.
Okay.
Okay. The thing
Oh,
is, I am not asking you to know the derivation or anything, but you should know the basic of what forms a parabola.
So that's how you like get the focus and that's how you like figure out.
Yeah. That's how. See, they found out that this distance to the directrix is the same as the focus. So when you start putting it in a coordinate plane, find using distance formula, equate this, you get the equation of the parabola to be y square equal to 4px.
And when it's vertical, you switch to X and Y.
Exactly, vertically switch x and y because it is horizontal. Make sense?
Yes.
If it is a standing parabola, it will be the other way, your way, usual, our way. We have always written it equal to y equal to x square, right? But instead you write x equal to 4py. Take that p into account. This is for a vertical parabola. For a horizontal parabola, I explained to you how you got that standard equation. Make sense?
Yes.
Can we move on?
Yes.
Okay. Abhiram, did you follow?
Yeah.
So, for a parabola, for a horizontal parabola with vertex as 0, 0, the equation is x square equal to 4py. Any question on that? I just simplified and said this is what you're going to learn in school. So nothing of what we learned till now you're going to learn. So here for a horizontal parabola it's going to be y square will be equal to 4px. Make sense?
Yes.
Okay. So this is what it is. Now can I go ahead and differentiate both? Let's see. Now let me go back to our original table I was about to draw. Okay, before that I wanted to explain so much and then go back. Vertical, horizontal. Just 1 second, guys. Vertical, horizontal. These are parabolas, ma. Okay, standard form. First, you have to understand how we got things. Okay, vertical parabola is, this is a vertical parabola. This is also a vertical parabola. I'll tell you the difference between the two. This is a horizontal parabola. This is also a horizontal parabola. So now you know how we derived the formula, right? So if it's a vertical means x square, right? X square equal to 4py. This one will be y square will be equal to 4px. You understood this till now. Any questions still here? Any questions still here? Now, if p is greater than 0, what happens? If p is greater than 0, p is a positive value. What happens to the parabola? Is it this or this?
It's pointing upward.
Opens upward. Good job. Now, if it's a horizontal parabola, if p is greater than 0, opens to the opens right. Can I move on? Now, let's say p is less than 0, then it's a negative value is p. So what happens?
Opens down.
Yep, opens down. This one opens left. I hope I'm clear till here. Now tell me what is the focus here? What is the focus here? The center point is 0, 0. So what is the, for a vertical parabola, what is the focus coordinate? What is the focus?
0, p.
0, p. Good job. Abhiram, Sanjana, you're following. Pranav, you're following. Navneet, how about you?
Yeah.
If you get lost, it's very difficult to do problems in this. Okay, how about this? Horizontal, let's say this one. Horizontal, what is the focus point?
P, 0.
P, 0. Guys, you don't need to memorize this. Please don't memorize even at school. School, they'll give you the table. Don't sit and memorize. Okay. You have to be able to write right away whenever you think in your brain.
All right.
Because we have gone through what it is. What, ma?
I just
What?
said all right.
Oh, yeah. Okay. Directrix. What is a directrix? Ah, that's a good question. I didn't tell you about it, but you can derive by yourself. Okay. I'm going to draw the directrix. Okay. This is the directrix for the upward facing parabola. This is the directrix. You know how to write the equation of this line. What is the equation of that line? It's not hard, just a little bit of thought. What is the equation of that
X
direction?
equals to Y.
X equal to
Y.
y. X equal to y line is this. This is x equal to y.
Oh,
That can't be. What is the so?
P or negative P.
Good job. What is it? Can you tell me?
X equals to negative P.
Is x equal to? Is that an x equal to
No,
line?
no, no. Y equals to negative
Y equal to what?
negative P.
Wow, wonderful. That's right. Then what is the equation of this? Let's say it's facing right. Okay, I'll always take these parabolas. What is the equation of this directrix?
X equals to negative P.
X equal to negative p. Vertical lines are always of the format x equal to. Horizontal lines are always of the format y equal to. But then you know that the distance from the vertex to the directrix is p, but in the negative direction. That's why it's minus p. Here it's also in the negative direction, but x equal to negative p. Any questions? Okay, now what is the axis of symmetry, guys? Last one. What is the axis of symmetry for the vertical parabola?
0.
No. Please don't say 0. Axis of symmetry is a line. You have to write the line equation.
X equals to 0.
X equal to 0. What is the axis of symmetry for the horizontal parabola?
Y equals 0.
Y equals 0. Got it, guys? Very clear. Any questions on these? Do you have any questions on these?
No.
If you really understood this, then the next question I ask, you will be able to write it out. Can I move on? Don't memorize, please. Okay. You have to remember focus means it should go in front. Directrix goes at the back. Horizontal lines are of the format y equal to equations. Vertical lines are of the format x equal to equations. When p is greater than 0, it opens upward. When p is less than 0, it opens downward, making it negative there. Can I move on? Let's see. Okay, let's see. Find the equation of a parabola. Okay, let's try one problem, okay? You don't need anything. You should be able to write this if you were able to follow and understand what we discussed. Focus is minus 8 comma 0. Okay. First of all, directrix equation is x equal to 8. Think about it. When I give you these two, right? First, visualize this point. Let's visualize. Please draw. If you're not able to visualize it mentally, draw. Minus 8 comma 0 is what? Minus 8 and I get. Minus 8 comma 0 is this. So that is the focus. Okay. Then what phasing parabola is this?
Horizontal.
Horizontal. Because why are you saying horizontal? X equal to 8 equation. This is your directrix. Then the parabola should be pointing like this so that the focus comes here, right? Now, what is the equation of this parabola? Vertex is C. Vertex is 0, comma 0. Okay. Now, can you tell me what is the equation of this parabola? It's not a hard one, right? You know the general equation. What is the general equation? It is pointing to the left.
Y
Y
equals to
squared equals 4px. 4px.
Square will be equal to 4px, correct? Good. Okay. What do I do now? What is P? What is P distance? What is P value?
P is 8.
8.
P is 8 or negative 8?
Yes, isn't it 8? Because it
It's
goes from
8 because it's
8 to
distance,
0.
right? You can have negative
Yeah, it is
distance.
distance, but you see, okay. It is distance, but see, ma, here, with respect to 0, what is P? Why you are taking it as negative, I'll tell you. See, the minus 8 is in here, right? This is a left facing parabola. For a left facing parabola, P is negative, right? So only if I take it as negative 8, then it becomes y square equal to minus 32x. This is the equation of this parabola. Makes sense why you're taking it like that? 0 to minus 8, right? Yeah, I know it's the distance, but P, yeah, I understand. But then here it's a negative 8 because the focus is on the left side.
So, Auntie, every time you have a left-facing parabola, the distance would be negative, right?
P will be negative value.
Okay.
P value will be a negative value. How about this? Focus is, you can do it by yourself, this one. 0, comma minus 2. First, to find out what facing parabola is that. If you understand only, then you can find out what facing parabola. Directrix equation is y equal to 2. It may not be the same as what we did. So you find out the equation of the parabola and send it to me. Yeah. Next is we study both them. We'll study the vertex is not 0, 0 as well. We'll study. Once you get a good hang of this, the word problems will become very easy. Hey, did we study linear quadratic systems? We studied, right? One of you to tell me whether we studied linear quadratic systems.
We started on it like we did like basic solving.
Yeah, I think we did a little bit.
Yeah,
Solve it.
even if we had done 3-4 problems, more than enough, ma. Yeah, I remember. Ashrita, remember you wanted me to solve more problems and one full class we spent. It's enough, I think.
Yeah.
I think that's enough. You just need to know how to solve a linear quadratic system. That's all. Did you get it? What is the equation of the parabola? First, what phasing parabola is that?
Downward.
Up, I think so. Because directrix is y. Directrix is
Would be
y.
down.
Really facing down because it's y equals to 2.
Yeah, y equal to 2 and focus is 0, minus 2. Now it should be a downward facing parabola. So P has to be negative. So tell me.
I
Send it
put
to
my answer.
Yeah, I'm checking. I did not open chat. Oh, that's right, Ashrita.
Miss Priya,
Archika, that is right. Yes, ma'am.
I have a random question. What is this called? Like this unit like that we're doing?
Conics, ma'am.
Phonics?
Conics. CONICS. You want me to tell you in yours? Let me see. Ananjay, is it y square, amma? Wait, then Ashrita's is wrong, right?
Oh wait, no, it's a y equals.
No, right.
No, it's a y equals an x.
Yeah, it's the opposite of what we did, right, Ananjay? Ananjay, just correct and send it to me.
Yeah, it's a
Sricharan, again, yours is as well incorrect. Navneet, correct. You need to be careful. Ayo, Sanjana, again, that's incorrect. Okay, guys, all of you are making you're all getting it. You understood the concept, but please be aware of whether you need to write y square equal to x or x equal to y square. See, x equal to y square comes into picture only if it is a horizontal parabola. Okay, this one, you all said that it is a downward facing parabola. Remember, this is 0, minus 2. Vertex is always 0, 0. I did not even go over parabolas that are not 0, 0 vertex. Now, P is minus 2. It's negative because downward facing, right? Directrix is y equal to 2. In this case, what format should the standard equation be? The equation has to be in y equal to y, I'm sorry, one is y square equal to x, one is x square equal to y. So basically the vertical parabolas are all of this format, right? So it should be x square will be equal to 4py. P is a minus 2. When it is a minus 2, then it becomes 8y. X square will be equal to minus 8y. Hey, Navya, when did you join? I was, oh my God, okay. I was thinking Sanjana joined today. Navya is taking off for Diwali, I was thinking. Can we go ahead? Arush, did you get it?
Oh yeah, I sent it. You didn't.
Yeah, but did you understand?
Yeah.
Good to know. Ananjay got it. Abhiram, where is your answer, Abhiram?
I'm getting it.
What is it you're not getting it?
No, I'm getting it.
Oh, you're getting it. So do you think I can move on or should I wait for you? You can freely tell me what you want me to do.
Oh no, you can move on.
You can. Oh, so you got how to do this?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Okay. Now comes the biggest picture. Okay. I'm going to shift the vertex. You guys are really understanding. So usually I split it into two classes. But since you understand it, I don't want to do more problems. We'll go to writing the equation of a parabola with vertex h comma k. It's a little complex. Why? I'll tell you why. We'll do with the vertical parabola. We'll do with the horizontal parabola. Okay. Now what I'm going to do is, first let's understand and then we'll draw the table for this. Now this is no longer the origin, meaning the vertex of the parabola is not the origin. I am going to say the vertex of the parabola is h comma k. If it is h comma k, let's say, I'll draw a vertical parabola first. Wait. It's not 0 at all, right? Let's say this is my parabola. So now, what is this? What is this in the coordinate plane? What is this in the coordinate plane? The vertex of the parabola is h comma k. What is this point on the coordinate plane? What is this point on the coordinate plane, guys?
It's H0.
H comma 0. This one is
K0.
no,
Okay.
0 comma 2.
Oh, right, my bad.
Good. No problem at all. Okay. Now, okay, let's do this one. What I want to know is, okay. Now for this vertical parabola, we had the equation x square equal to 4py, correct? You know, now since it shifted by h comma k, it shifted by h comma k, right? So I will change this to y minus k. Okay, and then this one will change it to x minus h the whole square equal to 4. X minus h the whole square will be equal to, this also has a derivation. I'm not going through that now. Okay, so do you understand how the h comma k changes your general format to this? Okay, so here, if it is a vertical parabola, if it is a horizontal parabola, what happens? Y minus k the whole square will be equal to 4p x minus h. Make sense, guys? Does it make sense? Now, before I move on from here, right, before I start drawing the tables, right, can you tell me what will be the focal point? If this is P distance, what will be the focus point?
H comma 2k. Wouldn't k be p?
H comma
2k or 2p.
This is not directrix. This is not directrix. Nobody said that this is the directrix.
Okay.
Okay,
So
meaning I just drew that for you to show the x-axis. Go ahead.
okay.
See, I need that line, but that's the x-axis, okay? That's not the directrix, okay? Let me do it in a black color. Don't confuse it with the directrix. Arush, do you see why it is not the directrix?
Yeah.
Okay, go ahead.
So it'd be h comma k plus p.
Good job, h comma, because this is the x-axis and k is this level, right? P more, so it should be k plus p. Make sense? Okay. So, for the vertical parabola, the focus will be h comma k plus p. Very nice. Now tell me, what will be the axis of symmetry for that vertical parabola? We are discussing the vertical parabola. We discussed focus. What is the axis of symmetry for this parabola?
X equals H.
Oh, nice. Axis of symmetry is x equal to h. Good job. Now, what is the equation of the directrix? That is a little tricky. What is the equation of the directrix?
H comma K minus P.
Oh, nice. Equation of the directrix, ma. Directrix may be somewhere here, right? Here or wherever it is, okay? Beneath the parabola. But what is the equation of this? You know this is K level. Okay, from K, you need to subtract the P. Let's say this is the P distance. You have to subtract the P. So, this equation is y will be equal to K minus P. Make sense? Okay. Let me write it down in a table. Can I go ahead? Did you understand this picture? This is what I'm going to put it into a table. If you didn't understand, you have to ask now. Only this type of parabolas we saw. Did you get it? Sanjana, Navya, did you get it?
Yeah. Yes.
Okay. Abhiram, did you understand?
Yes.
Chetan, is it hard to follow, Chetan? It is, right? A little bit, at least. Chetan?
I think we did something like this in school,
You did it?
but like you went a little bit more in depth than we did, so I understood part of it, I think. Like finding the axis of symmetry for the graph.
For with vertex 0, comma 0 or h, comma k, which one do you want?
Sorry, what do you mean?
No. Vertex 0, comma 0 or vertex h, comma k. Which type of parabola you did not understand the axis of symmetry?
Um,
Okay,
what's the
anyway,
difference?
I'll go over that. I'll go over. See, if you understand h, comma k, you'll understand 0, comma 0. Because h, comma k is okay. I'll go over. See, when the parabola's vertex is 0, comma 0, it's different. When the parabola's vertex is h, comma k, some other arbitrary point, then it is a little different, right? That's why I asked you. That's fine. Let's move on. Here, let's say, what is the standard form of the vertical parabola with vertex h, comma k? Okay, now tell me, guys, what is the equation, general equation? One of you please try, otherwise I am here to help as well. Go ahead. Vertical parabola means what? Oh no, I don't want to draw with vertex. Okay, you'll get confused. So this vertical parabola or no, not even that. Let's draw it like this. Let's not confuse. Vertical, horizontal. Go ahead. What is the standard form? Basically, this is equal to this, right? But we change it. How will we change it? 4py. This I'll change it. I don't want to say it's not 0. So I need to change the vertex as well, right? So I will write it down as y minus k. Here it will be x minus h the whole square. Makes sense, guys? Because the vertex shifts by h comma k. Any questions here? Now, horizontal parabola will be 4px minus h will be equal to y minus k the whole square. Are you all with me? Okay, that is the standard form. Now things become a little easy. P is greater than 0, P less than 0. What happens? P is greater than 0 means what happens? Upward facing or downward facing?
Up.
Up. Opens upward. Horizontal opens right. P is less than 0. Opens less than 0 down. Opens left. Now let me go through the next one. But what we just need to do, focus, directrix, and axis of symmetry. Let's do that. Focus, directrix, axis of symmetry. We are done with that. Okay. Let's discuss the focus. Focus is here. What do we need to do? H comma K is this point. Think about it and tell me. What is the focus? Focus is this point, P away. So what is the focus?
H comma K plus P.
H comma K plus P. Good job. Because it's a little above K, right? Yes. H comma K plus P. How about the horizontal parabola? Let's draw that. Visualize it. That's the only
H
way.
plus H plus PK.
I need to give me a minute. You're too far. Oh my God, what did I do? 1 minute, guys. It's gone for me. 1 minute, 1 minute. Okay. So this is H comma K, but the focus is in here. So XL, I need to move K points. So it will be H plus, sorry, Anante, one more time.
H plus PK.
Guys, do you all understand this? Ashrita, did you get it, ma?
Yes.
Okay, good. What is the equation of the directrix for this one?
Directrix is H.
This has to be y equal to, but y equal to what?
Y equals K minus P.
Yeah. K level, you subtract the P level, K minus P. Okay. And then what here?
X equals H minus P.
H minus P. Good job, guys. What is the axis of symmetry on the vertical parabola? It's an easy one, guys. It's a vertical line with value x equal to
H.
H. What is the axis of symmetry for the horizontal parabola? It's going to be this, right? What is the vertex? Vertex level is your level, right?
Y equals K.
Y equals K. Good job, guys. Did you all get it? As I said, it's a tad bit challenging, but once you understand putting it into a coordinate plane and finding it, you don't need to memorize. Please don't sit and memorize, because why I'm saying don't memorize is you might remember for now for your test. For the next 2 weeks, you'll remember. But after 2 years, when you write the SAT exam, you'll not even understand what is KP if you memorize. But if you understand and do, you can find out yourself in the exam itself. You don't need to even study again. Can I go ahead?
Yes.
Okay, so vertical. Okay. Okay. Let's do this one. One thing is, one factor that you need to understand is, what is the p-value? Before I erase this, what is the p-value for her vertical parabolas? P-value for vertical parabolas. How to calculate the p-value for the vertical parabolas and the horizontal parabolas as well, I want you to understand. But for the vertical parabolas, right, if you want to find the p-value, right, can I say y value of the focus, subtract the y value of the directrix, divide by 2, y value of the focus minus y value of the directrix, divide by 2. Can I do that? For the horizontal parabola, what can I say? X value of the focus, subtract the x, what did I do? Subtract the x value of the directrix, divide by 2. Can I do that? These two things you need to remember. How to find out the p? See, this gives you 2 times p. 2p it gives, because y value of the focus minus y value of the directrix, divide by 2.
I would solve that though.
What is it?
I would just solve that though. Just don't you need the p-value to figure out the focus and the directive?
Yeah. You need the for. See, the thing is, you're asking a good question. Here, the thing is, Sri Charan, they will give you the focus xy point and the directrix xy point. You need to write the equation of the parabola. You need the p-value, right? So from the why, you see why I'm giving you this?
Yeah.
Good question though. Why I'm giving you this absurd thing just like that? For you to understand why. Because this gives you 2p on a vertical parabola. This gives you 2p on a horizontal parabola. Why I'm giving you this? You will be given the coordinates of the focus, the coordinates of the directrix. You will be asked to write the equation of the parabola. That time you can use the y value of the focus, y value of the directrix to get your p point, p value in both the parabola. Similarly, if it is a horizontal parabola, you will use the x value of the focus, x value of the directrix divided by 2. You cannot confuse this one with that one. We'll see. That is why I'm saying you should be able to visualize things. It becomes very easy if you start visualizing things. Can we move on? Okay, how about let's see this one. I'll give you this one, maybe I will do or you will do. Let's see. Focus is 3, 2. Okay. Directrix is y equal to 0. Here guys, the vertex is not 0, 0. Vertex is not 0, 0. First of all, what phasing parabola is this? What phasing parabola?
Up.
Upward, downward, rightward,
Up.
upward. Why upward? I will draw the directrix.
Because the directrix is horizontal and it's perpendicular to like the direction in the parabola.
Exactly. So this is my directrix, means automatically it has to face up considering focus is 3, 2. Makes sense. So the parabola is something like this. I don't know where is the x-axis, y-axis. I'm just saying this is the directrix, this is the focus.
Wait, isn't the directrix the x-axis?
Oh yeah, sorry ma.
Y
Y
equals
equal to
0?
0. Correct ma, correct. I did not see that. This is the x-axis. So I can write like this then. This is your directrix and the x-axis. Okay. Now how to write the equation of this parabola? Can we try? First of all, what is the general equation of this parabola? It has to be of the format y. This is how I remember. I'm just telling you how I remember. Y equal to x square, right? So what equation will I write? 4p y minus k will be equal to x minus h the whole square. Any question still here? But I have to write the equation. I cannot have this h, k, all this stuff, p, all this stuff should go. I know the focus. I know the directrix equation. But with that, what am I to do? Tell me, guys. Tell me what to do. How to find out the p-value? How to find out the p-value?
Well, you can do
So
2 minus 0 by 2.
2 minus 0 by 2, because y value of the focus minus y value of the directrix give you 2p. 2p will be equal to 2 minus 0. So p is 1. Any questions still there?
No.
Okay, good. Now what do we do?
So we can plug p into the equation to simplify it.
That is true, but is there anything else to simplify? There is something else to simplify as well.
What?
You know this is h comma k. You know what is h already. What is h?
H is 1.
H is
No,
what?
H is 3.
How do you know? Correct. H is
Because
3.
it has to be on the same line as the focus.
Exactly. If this entire line has x value equal to 3. So h is actually 3.
Can't k be 1 then?
I think you can find it out. K is?
K is
1, because p equals 1, so the distance has to be 1.
Oh yeah, K, h is 3. Okay, h is 3. Okay. Yeah. Good, correct. That's right. This is how you find. H is 3, focus is 2. So from there so basically P is 1 means you go down 1. So automatically the value of K is 1 as well. Okay, so how do you find it, guys? You can even substitute the formula. Remember, meaning if you go with the formulas, you can really do k minus p, all this stuff. So focus is, what did we learn for a vertical parabola? Focuses of a vertical parabola was h comma k plus p is what we learned, right? So focus is h comma k plus p. So p is 1, k plus 1. So focus is 3 comma k plus 1. You can equate k plus 1 to 2. So k equal to 1. That is the formula way of doing. Okay, but if you understand the coordinate plane, it's so easy to find out without all these memorizing formulas. Now, you found out P equal to 1, H is equal to 3. H is equal to 3. This is 3x x value. However, we wanted to find out K. If this distance is 2, meaning to the directrix is 2. Directrix is from 0 to 2, right? So, midline is 2
1.
minus 0 divided by 1, right? So, K is 1. You don't need any of the formulas, provided you understand. Now plug it in, that's all. 4 times 1 times y should be there in the equation. Y minus 1 will be equal to x minus h the whole square. So the formula would become what?
4y
Yeah,
plus
x plus 3 the whole square will be equal to 4 times y minus 1. That's it, guys.
Wait, do we have to simplify or just leave it like that?
You can leave it like that for now, ma.
Okay.
Can I do one more problem with you guys? Can we do one more problem so you can take that entire thing as homework? You have to sit and see this. This drawing is your key. You don't need any of the formulas. Understanding it well is the key.
Okay.
Formula way is the other way, where you write out your formulas, remember your formulas, plug values into it. Shall I give you one more?
Yes.
Okay. How about focus is minus 1 comma minus 1. Directrix is x equal to 5. Okay. The first of all, see the directrix. Directrix is vertical or horizontal. Then how will the parabola be? Is it a vertical or a horizontal parabola? You can decide.
How do we know what direction it's facing?
First, find out. Is it a vertical or a horizontal parabola? This
It's a
tells you
horizontal.
it's a horizontal parabola.
But how do we know if it's a right or a left?
It's negative. Well, because the x value.
Focus is minus 1 comma 1. Directrix is at the back, right?
Okay.
You see, directrix is at the back of the parabola, correct?
Okay.
So let's draw that.
What are we
This
trying to
is,
find?
this is equation of the parabola.
Okay.
This is directrix 5. Okay, x equal to 5. Focus is somewhere minus 1 comma 1 na either. Which one? Here. Oh my god. Okay. This is your focus. This is your focus means what facing parabola? That tells you, right, Ashruta?
Yeah, I forgot the directrix was at the back.
No problem. Okay, let's see. Focus is there. So now it should be something like this, right? So it is left facing. Then we come up with the standard form. What is the standard form? Left facing x square equal to y usually we get, right? So for this one we write y square equal to x. Y square equal to 4p x minus h. This is your general equation. Now let's draw this, please. Now this is your focus. This is your vertex. What do we find out first? I can find C, x value of the focus, x value of the directrix. This one is x equal to 5. This one is x equal to minus 1. What does that give you? This distance. That is your benefit. That's the best thing that you can use. That gives you twice p, right?
6.
Minus 1, minus 5. Yeah. See, you have to start from the focus. X value of the focus, x value of the directrix. That gives you 2 times p, correct? -1 -5 divide by 2 will be equal to your p-value, which is -3 I'm getting. Yes, that's correct. Then what? Let me substitute that. So y minus k the whole square will be equal to -12 times x minus h. What next? You know what? You know what? I think I know the y value of the vertex, right? What is the y value of the vertex?
-1.
Yeah, -1, because it's on the same line, -1.
Yeah.
So y value of the vertex is -1. Y value of the vertex is -1 means this becomes y plus 1 the whole square. So k is a -1. Good. Now 12 times x minus h. How to find out h, guys?
It's 2
How do you know it's 2?
because the p is -3. You minus 3 from the
Good. P is a -3, right? So what happens?
you at minus -3.
Yep. You go, see, from -1, you go down, you go to the right by 3, right? Then what do you get? That's the what, meaning this is 2p, right? So this is p means that much distance when you go to your right from -1, you have to go 3 to your right. If you go, what you get? You get 2, right? So h is what? H is
2.
2. Good job. So y plus 1 the whole square will be equal to 12 times x plus 2 or minus 2. Make sense, guys? Any questions? Hey, did we
No.
-12? I forgot the minus. So this is how you write the equation. Anybody who did not understand, you stay. If you understood, you can log off, but the homework will be entirely on this.
Thanks. Bye.
Bye.
Thanks.
Bye.
Thank
Bye.
you, Auntie.
Bye.
Bye.
Guys. See you guys.
Priya, why was it -12?
Because P was negative, left facing, right? I forgot, meaning I forgot to put that. Here I put it in, but I forgot to copy it in here, so I put it.
Okay.
Makes sense, ma?
Yes.
You practice, ma, Ashita, because you're not learning in school, right?
Yeah.
So practice more.
Okay.
Book has a lot of problems. The problems in the book for this topic is more than enough.
Okay.
There's good amount of problems, nice problems.
What's this unit called again?
Conics, ma, conics.
Okay.
See, they call it as parabolas, okay, but this is basically conics. Conics, I did not give you an intro to conics, but this is a part. I did not tell it as conics or anything, so take it as parabolas.
Okay.
Okay.
Thank you.
Oh yeah, one type of conic is parabola.
Okay.
We studied quadratic functions, right? I'm just extending it to parabolas.
Okay.
Writing these equations with directrix and focus.
Okay. Thank you.
Bye, ma. Bye. Bye. Ma.